Good morning, my all dear class 11th B students. As in this chapter of business studies, we will discuss the. Now we will discuss in the previous video we have discussed the difference between goods and services and what are the services. And now in this video, first of all, we will discuss classification of types of services. There are three types of services, as I have already mentioned. We will discuss business services here. Business services are those services which are used by business enterprises for the conduct of their activity. For example, banking services, insurance, transportation, warehousing, and communication. So let me tell you what are the banking facilities, banking services. Banking needs funds for acquiring asset purchasing. Business needs funds for acquiring asset, purchasing raw material, and etc. Day-to-day expenses maintaining. Necessary fund in the form of overdraft and cash credit facilities, loan and advances can be obtained by businessmen from commercial banks. Means banks provides loan to the business. Okay. And banking helps business activity overcome the problem of finance. Insurance, there are many types of risks involved in the business. So insurance sector covers the business from that risk. Transportation is a very important part of the business. If we want to sell our goods, if we want to send our goods from one place to another, transportation will be necessary. Transportation will be must for that. Okay. After that, warehousing. As I have already told that there are some products, there are some goods which can be preserved, and for preserving that we need warehousing. Communication, to need established connection between customers, suppliers, competitors. For that we need communication. So now let me tell you that what are the banking facilities. First of all, banking facilities. In banking facilities, bank can open your bank account and also give you the loan. For opening the bank account, there are various accounts like saving bank account, current deposit, recurring deposit, FD. Okay, multiple option deposit option. Okay. Saving is for small savers. Current deposit is for traders, businessmen. Recurring deposit means a fixed amount will be transferred to the bank at a fixed time. FD means a huge amount, a standard amount or a pre-decided amount will put to bank in a single time, and after a specific period we will get our money back with interest. Okay. Banks give another services like overdraft, bank draft, bank overdraft, cash credit and bank overdraft are types of loans. Electronic banking facilities are also there. Bank gives you RTGS, NEFT, EFT, ATM, point of sales, EDI, credit card, these type of facilities. Okay. Now there are many types of benefits to the customers and also to the banks. Now let's directly move to insurance services. In insurance services, there will be three types of parties. Insurer, it is an individual or firm known as insurance company. Insured, who gets compensation. Happening of the event means when that things happen. Premium, the amount paid on half-yearly, quarterly or yearly basis to the insurer. Okay. In the next video, we will learn the principle of insurance and other things. Till then, bye-bye students.